टूल्स देखे. फर्स्ट वाज डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, सेकंड वाज asset allocation, third is liquidity management, fourth was use the power of compounding. अगर हम सिंपल और कंपाउंडिंग का इंटरेस्ट का कंपैरिजन देखें, दिस इज अ चार्ट, तो इसमें भी आपने देखा कि बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होता है. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, ड्यू डिलिजेंस. जब भी हम किसी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, देन वी हैव टू गो फॉर द एनालिसिस ऑफ कंपनी का हमें एनालिसिस करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कहीं भी इन्वेस्ट कर दिया. तो अगर हम इन फैक्टर्स को ध्यान रखते हैं, देन वी कैन अवॉइड द सिस्टमेटिक एज वेल एज अनसिस्टमेटिक रिस्क एंड वी कैन हैव द बेस्ट रिटर्न. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
क्रिटिकल है बट वी आर ट्राइंग.
ये सब हुआ कैसे?
एक फोन आया था राजेश के पास. उसने कहा कि उनकी 1 करोड़ की लॉटरी निकली है और उसके लिए उसने बैंक डिटेल्स मांगी. राजेश ने सारी डिटेल्स दे दी. 1 घंटे के अंदर ही उनके बैंक अकाउंट से सारा पैसा साफ हो गया और वो यहाँ आ गए. हार्ट अटैक आया है.
देखा आपने, आपकी जरा सी असावधानी क्या कर सकती है. डिजिटल फ्रॉड करने वालों से सावधान रहें. अपनी बैंक डिटेल्स, अपना डेबिट या क्रेडिट कार्ड नंबर, एक्सपायरी डेट, सीवीवी, ओटीपी, पिन कभी किसी को ना बताएं. सावधान रहें, समझदार बने.
IEPF अथॉरिटी द्वारा जनहित में जारी.
हाँ जी सुरेश जी, रिटायरमेंट के बाद जो प्रोविडेंट फंड आएगा उसका क्या करेंगे?
कुछ खास प्लान नहीं है. पड़ा रहेगा बैंक में, ब्याज आता रहेगा और क्या.
सुरेश जी, बैंक से कितना ब्याज आएगा? एक नई स्कीम बताता हूँ, उसमें पैसे लगा दो. साल भर में दुगने बल्कि चौगुना हो जाएगा. हाँ, बस कुछ नए मेंबर्स बनाने.
नहीं सुरेश जी, इन सब फालतू चक्करों में मत पड़िए कि नए मेंबर बनाना, रातों रात करोड़पति बनाना, ऐसे सपने दिखाने वाली स्कीम से बचकर रहें. आप लालच में आकर नहीं, समझदारी से निवेश करें. नए मेंबर बनाओ, वर्ल्ड टूर पे जाओ, कमीशन पाओ या उपहार घर ले जाओ. ऐसे सपने दिखाने वाली स्कीम से बचकर रहें. ऐसी स्कीम्स धोखा हो सकती हैं.
IEPF अथॉरिटी, कॉर्पोरेट कार्य मंत्रालय द्वारा जनहित में जारी.
Hello everyone, I am CA Sujay Jain and today we are discussing a very important topic. ये जो topic है ये इसलिए important है because today our financial markets, our investment markets is governed with a very specific thing which is known as algorithmic trading. So why algorithmic trading? if we see newspapers, every day in leading newspapers, we will find that there is one or another article about this kind of trading. Algos are changing Indian stock markets. They are actually impacting the whole of the world, not only India, but globally. If I see algorithmic trading, it is slowly and steadily increasing its base in all the financial sectors. Now, if I talk about some numbers, so I would say that in US, 70 to 80% or even more than that trading in stock markets happens through algorithmic trading. In UK and European Union, the same number is more than 75%. In India itself, we have plus 40%. Now, if I talk about that algorithmic trading, what does it basically stands for? So I will start with basics. तो algorithmic trading के 3 words होते हैं: algorithm, algorithmic thinking, and trading. So I start with the simple word trading. Trading is buying and selling of things in a market. यानी कि खरीदना और बेचना किसी चीज का एक मार्केट के अंदर. एल्गोरिथम क्या होता है? एल्गोरिथम आर सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू परफॉर्म सम स्पेसिफिक टास्क. सो वी आर एक्चुअली राइटिंग सम इंस्ट्रक्शंस जिसके बेसिस पे टास्क परफॉर्म होता है. एंड एल्गोरिथमिक थिंकिंग is basically joining the same. It is codification and use of computer science in order to make an algorithm and to get algorithm trading done. It is basically a derivative of computer science and coding, which gives us a defined set of output based on defined sets of input. So this is about algorithmic trading basics. But one will say why we are understanding it. Today, as an investor, we should understand that something which is impacting my market most and I am not aware about it, how risky my fund is. Or as a student, if I want to become an investor, a wealth manager, a fund manager, I should understand that what concepts, what things are ruling the markets. I should know how the trades in markets are currently being executed. Earlier it was basis done on the Sauda. Today the same is done through machines. How much of that trading is done? What all are there at the back where we are investing? Even in mutual funds, when you invest, it says that read the offer documents carefully because it is risky. So we are going one step ahead to understand that if a mutual fund is using an automatic platform, so what is there behind it? What is the formula? What are the set of instructions given it? If I talk about algo trading in terms of definition by adding all 3 words which we have covered before, I would say it is a kind of automated black box trading which uses computer program having a set instructions to get a set output by placing a trade. It uses complex formulas. It uses mathematical model. It uses human oversight to make traders trade in the market. And it uses sophisticated technology. It uses faster machines, high frequency trading, which we define in the market, जहाँ पर milliseconds के अंदर trade होता है. Thousands of trades are executed on that. Now, what are the variables of algo trading? जब आप algo trading करते हैं, क्या क्या चीज़ें उसे impact करती है? One is price. At what price trade is going to happen? Time. At what time the trade will happen? And market. So if I explain all 3 of them one by one, So whenever we are setting an instruction, we have to tell the machine about the price at which they have to execute the trade. For example, you can set a price that if a share goes at 52 weeks up, अगर वो 52 weeks up पे पहुंच गया है, फटाफट शेयर खरीद लो, या 200 more days के average price पे achieve हो गया है, शेयर खरीद लो. Or if you see that there is a fall in price, at this price automatically shares sell कर दो या instrument sell कर दो. So this is one of the key variable when we are actually making an algorithm. Second is time. At what time trade have to be executed? It is very, very critical. If you are delayed in trading, it cannot give you a desired output. Or if the correct time trigger doesn't happen, it can actually give you a wrong result. Market, of course, जिस market में आप लोग trade कर रहे हैं, that is very, very important to figure it out that what you are trading and what the market is reacting on. If I talk about components of algorithm trading, कि हमारे को algorithm trading करने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए, so I can actually divide into 4 basic things. One is algorithm, which I already explained is a set of instructions which are based on your strategies. So आपके market में there can be multiple strategies. We will cover in our further deliberation. So what all those strategies can be, and basis that you will define an algorithm. You require a computer program which will basically run your algorithm. You have to do a technical analysis of the algorithm, of the results, and then you have to perform a back testing, which is the most critical part of it. So what is back testing? Back testing may basically we are testing the whole of our algorithm input to the output so that we can compare whether we are getting the desired result or not. So we go back on a historical data, we perform our algorithm on that data and analyze whether the output which we have received based on our algorithm on the historical data is desirable or not. If it is not desirable, then we have to change our algorithm, we have to change our way of working, and then we will again back test it. So every algorithm is actually back tested multiple times so that you have a precision level, and then it can be introduced in the market so that it can perform the actual trades. So back testing is done both by professionals as well as regular traders, and it is the key for every algorithmic trade so that before launching in the market, we know that yes, the probability of getting the desired result is very high. So we require a programmer, as we told, who will actually develop and codify our algorithm into the machine language. There are multiple sources where you can, professional sources, where you can actually get your algorithm codified. Now somebody will ask that, yes, is it a very sophisticated thing? And we require a bigger arena for it. We require bigger investment for it. True, it is true. You require a very big investment because it is being done by professionals. But today, there are avenues where a retail investor can also get his algorithm made and also get it run on a simpler platform at a very low price and can achieve a desired result. Talking about why we go for algos, why algos are important. Algo will help us in getting the execution done at the best possible price. Today, if you are doing a retail trade or a normal human trade, you go back to the system, you will see the price, you will find multiple prices. But a machine can track thousands of bidders and thousands of sellers and see the best possible price to execute the trade. Placement is instant and accurate. We, as a human being, will take time to execute a trade when we are sitting on the system, but a machine will not take that time because instructions are already there. Once that instruction is triggered off, वो तो फटाफट trade execute कर देगा. We will take time to type, we will take time to place an order, it will do it. And the accuracy level is much high. We can do lot of errors. We can write a wrong price, we can write a wrong quotation. Instead of doing a buy, we do a sell. These all are human errors.